All right. Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about two main problems in object tracking, mainly AI hallucination and object occlusion. So let's start first. What's object tracking? Object tracking simply you just locate objects, let's say a car, a person, and then you start to track that car over time. The thing is now you are tracking something you see. What about something you cannot see? And that's what's called occlusion. And let me show you a scenario here for you can see here a car and this car driving behind the building, but you cannot see it. And suddenly, ops show up in front of you. And now I am showing you that scenario specifically because yet, or I would say, before that research, that scenario wasn't possible to be tracked. So I will get back to this part later. But what about the second problem? So as I mentioned earlier, for object tracking, I first locate the object and then I track. So to locate the object, I get it from the AI. But now AI gives me incorrect information as you can see here. And if, for example, he's saying there is a car there, even so there's nothing. So to show you if you cannot see how problematic it is, let me give you an example. Say you have a self-driving cars and drives in a road and suddenly the AI is telling the car, oh, there is a car in front of you, even so there is nothing. So eventually the self-driving car will either drift or even brake. So now how we solve this problem? This problem is actually exists in us as well, but we just cannot see it. Let me give you an example here. So say I get you to a place you are not familiar with a closed eye, and told you blink one time and tell me what you see. Let's give it in this example. You will tell me at the first beginning, oh, actually I saw something red, but I'm not sure what's it. I tell you, okay, can you blink two more times? So when you blink two more times, oh, actually, I think it is a red car, but I'm not sure about the model. I tell you, okay, can you blink seven more times? Tell me, oh, I'm certain it's a red BMW. Do you see what happened here? You developed over time knowledge about what you have seen, and that's exactly what the AI is missing. So in that research, we are mimic the exact same behavior mathematically to be injected in the AI to deal with that problem. So now, at the early beginning, the AI will say, oh, actually, I'm not sure what I saw is correct or not. But over time, he will start to say, oh, now I'm sure this one is a car. So let me show you now. As you can see here, so he's able to identify these examples. So able to identify the correct cars and remove the other ones. All right. That's regarding AI hallucination. Let's get back to the problem I showed you at the early beginning. So tracking what we cannot see. Here, I will give you a hint. So in that video, you can see if you found the box in green, it means the car is visible. If the box in yellow, it means it's not visible. So we are estimating its location. So now you can see here, while the car now is visible and while it is driving behind the building, we're able to track exactly where it is until it appears again to the car. So can you see now how benefit it is? Because now we can able to not only to solve the problem of self-driving cars, but also for normal drivers to have this kind of potential to track something driving behind our vision. So that research actually has been done by the end of 2023, and yet it's still ranked first in the leaderboards, either Waymo or the other one, and actually not only in terms of performance and also in terms of speed. In fact, even with the current research in 2024, they're still not able to catch up with it. So I think that's all what I have for you today, and feel free to contact me, and thank you very much.